In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a watermark from a video in Canva. Now, while Canva doesn't currently have a built-in feature specifically for removing watermarks, we can work around this limitation quite effectively, so let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to Canva's website. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and type www.canva.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in just right at the top corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you already have saved login information for a quicker sign-in, you can just click the Continue button that shows up after your initial login step. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to a page where you can select which Google account you want to be associated with your Canva work. Choose the appropriate account and confirm your selection. By clicking Continue again, Canva will give you access to all your past projects and designs. Now that you're logged in, locate the video project from which you want to remove the watermark. It should be visible among your recent projects unless you need to search or filter through your past work to find it. Once you've opened the project, navigate to the part of the video where the watermark appears. In most cases, watermarks hang out in corners like mischievous little marks of ownership. Now here's where we get creative. You'll want to select the video clip you wish to edit and crop the top portion of the video. This is a highly effective method for hiding watermarks, especially if they are not too large or intrusive into your main content. Cropping in Canva is quite user-friendly, and you will see an adjustment grid appear around your video once you select the crop option. Just drag the grid inward until that pesky watermark is no longer visible. After cropping, it's time to reposition the remaining video to fit the screen fully. This may take a bit of fiddling to ensure your cropped video still looks well proportioned, and there's no edge missing from important elements of your content. Feel free to continue adjusting it until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Once you have everything fitted nicely, hit the play button to preview your changes. This is your opportunity to confirm that there are no traces of the watermark left behind and that the video flows well with the new adjustments. Once you're happy with what you see, congratulations! You've successfully tackled the watermark dilemma using Canva. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to remove watermarks from your video projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you refine your projects with ease.